In this video I'm going to be starting a fire with a smoke detector. I've got this connected to the test rig via this reed relay right here on this breadboard. That cable runs into the control circuit. The test rig unfortunately sustained damage. Well, it was knocked off of off the worktop in the kitchen, and a couple of parts got damaged. I managed to reprint a handle, but the connector for the ballast has been damaged, so I can't use that. So what I've done is I've just connected it together like that. But unfortunately, that means that those high voltage transformers are unballasted, and they're just going to pull as much current as they can sink, and that is about 50 amps or so. So it might trip the circuit breaker on the first try. Okay, I'm gonna connect up the high voltage rig. This usually remains disconnected until it is getting used, just for safety reasons. And we're primed, ready to go. All I need to do now is blow some smoke into that, and hope that circuit breaker doesn't trip out, because it will pull in quite a bit of current unballasted. So I'm going to watch this meter here as I blow smoke into that. Think it once more. Look at that. 40 amps. That ain't gonna last much longer. They won't kill it because we have flames. It worked. Well, we don't need that anymore. I'm going to disconnect that. Looks safe. I better reset this smoke detector really quick, because they do tend to get a bit hot inside if you just drive them straight off a power supply like that. But I would call that a success.